In this video, we'll take a look at the image upload options that are available for use with Gravity Forms now that Slim Image Cropper for Gravity Forms is no longer available. We'll look at two different plugins. One is called Image Hopper, and the other is called Gravity Forms Media Library. You can read more about these plugins and the developers behind them, as well as find links to them in the blog post that's attached to this video. So let's take a quick sneak peek at what these look like on the front end. So this top field here that's labeled image is using the Gravity Perks Media Library. Gravity Perks Media Library actually attaches to the standard file upload field in Gravity Forms, so this looks exactly like the standard field. The Image Hopper plugin creates a new field, which you can see down below here, and has a little bit of a different look to it. So you can drag and drop your files here to use the Image Hopper upload. So to get started, let's take a look at how you install these different plugins. So the Gravity Forms Media Library plugin is a perk available with Gravity Perks. Once you have the Gravity Perks plugin installed, you'll come into your dashboard, and in your Forms menu, you'll see Perks down below. When you click on that, that will bring you to this Manage Perks page. You can see I have the GP Media Library already installed. That's the one that you're looking for. It'll be over here on the Install Perks tab. So once you find that one, you'll just click on Install Perk, and then it will prompt you to activate it. And once that's completed, it will install a new plugin on your site, and you'll be ready to go. To install the Image Hopper plugin, you'll purchase it from their website, download the zip file, and then upload it into your plugins page, just as you would any other plugin. Now let's take a look at how these plugins work on the back end. So let's create a new form, and then you'll find both of the fields that we're looking for in the advanced fields section here. So first, let's start with the file upload field. And you'll see here that there's now a new tab called Perks. When you click on that, you can then check the box that says Upload to Media Library. That will then upload the image into your media library. By default, WordPress creates several different sizes of each image that goes into the media library. We can go back to our dashboard and take a look at what sizes are available on our site just by going to Settings and then Media. And this shows you what sizes your site uses. So there's a thumbnail size, a medium size, and a large size are available by default. You can see that you can change how these sizes are set up. You have the option to select whether you want to crop the thumbnail to exact dimensions or whether you want the thumbnail to maintain its original proportions but just staying within these size limits. You can also add additional sizes if need be by either using a little bit of code or by using a plugin. So now that you know what sizes are available, let's go back to our form here. And now let's add the image hopper field. So we click on that and then look at the settings for that. And here you can see there's a downscale images option. So you can set what the width and height should be. So we'll just set it to 100 by 100. We'll make it really small. Now notice that this setting here allows for only one size. Any image that's uploaded using this field will be resized to that one particular size. If you need multiple different sizes, you can add multiple image hopper fields and change these image settings in each field to the different sizes that you need. Now note that the size that you set here will not crop the image to fit that size. It will, again, maintain the original proportions of the image, but just make sure that it doesn't exceed those dimensions. Currently, this plugin is not connected to the media library, but you will have access to display any images uploaded in this field using Gravity View. Now let's take a look on the front end of this form and see what it looks like to upload. So Image Hopper offers an image preview as you upload a file. So I will just drag and drop one in here, and you can see that it tells you it's uploading. It will show you the percentage as it goes, and then once it's complete, the top part there changes over to green and tells you that it's complete. You can add multiple files here as well. There is a setting that allows you to restrict how many files are uploaded. To remove them, you just click on the X before you submit the form, and that removes the image. Now, in this standard file upload field, you may be familiar with what that looks like, but let's see if we can drag and drop an image right there. There we go. And then we'll submit this form, and now our images have been uploaded. A quick note before we move on about image cropping. Currently, neither of these plugins offers the image cropping feature, but ImageHopper is actively working on getting that added to their plugin. So keep an eye out for that. That should be coming soon. Now let's take a look in our media library. And you can see that this one image that we just uploaded is there, but the flower image that we uploaded using ImageHopper is not in the media library. Now that we've reviewed how these plugins work and how to insert the fields into your form, let's take a look at how you can display these images using Gravity View. So we want to go to our form and choose Create a View. Let's name it Image Uploads. And then we'll choose a table view, so that'll give us lots of room to play. And now we'll add a column. So we can see here the image field. That is our file upload field, as you can see here. So that's the one that's connected to the Gravity Forms Media Library. And then the ImageHopper field is the one that is connected to the ImageHopper plugin. If we just insert this file upload field, it will display the full-size image. So to take advantage of the resizing capabilities of the Gravity Forms Media Library plugin, we want to insert custom content instead. So we'll do that and then publish our view. And then click on the gear icon there, and we can choose now the merge tag for the image field. And now there are merge tag modifiers that will allow us to dictate what size it should appear in. And you can see in the blog post that's linked to this video is a list of the different sizes that you can use in your merge tag modifier. So let's try the thumbnail size. So we'll close this. And now I didn't do anything special to the entries that came in on my form, like approve them for Gravity View. So what I want to do is come down below and uncheck show only approved entries. Otherwise I won't be able to see my entries. So I'll update that. And then let's view it. So here is the image that we uploaded into the media library, and this is displaying in the thumbnail size that is set in my media settings. So let's go back and change this now. We'll change it to a large size and see how that changes how it looks on the front end. And now there it is, much larger. Now it's falling within the dimensions that I have set for a large image on my site. So now that we've seen how that can work with different sizes, let's take a look at the ImageHopper plugin. So we'll remove this one and let's add the ImageHopper field here and update the view and view this one on the site. And now you can see these images are very small because I had set the image size to 100 by 100. So this didn't crop them down to be exactly 100 by 100. Actually, if we click here, we can see, so this one is 56 by 100. So it maintained the original proportions of the image. This one was a bit wider of an image, so it's 67 by 100 when it's resized down by the ImageHopper plugin. So again, if I had used larger dimensions, these images would look a lot larger here. So now we've taken a look at two different plugins that we can use to upload images to our Gravity form, and we've taken a look at how to connect those to Gravity View and display them on the front end of our website. Just a quick review of those plugins that we talked about. The first is called Image Hopper. It was designed as a replacement for Slim Image Cropper. It currently offers resizing and preview features. Coming soon is a powerful image editor that will include cropping as well as other features. The second plugin that we looked at was Gravity Forms Media Library. This plugin attaches to the standard file upload field in Gravity Forms and makes use of the resizing feature of the WordPress Media Library. Each image submitted will be available in multiple sizes, and those sizes can be tweaked in your WordPress settings to meet your needs.